Good morning, everybody. It is November the 17th, 2018, 6:35 in the morning. I was waiting to get some updates on the tropical cyclone. They haven't updated it yet, so I will do another broadcast when that's updated. Let's go ahead and get these earthquakes up and out there for you. The first 3 earthquakes I've got here was not put on USGS. Well, no surprise, right? It was not only on Discovery, it was on EMSC, and it was on Chile's earthquakes, seismonic, whatever, earthquake center. But USGS says, no, never happened. Well, let me get them to you anyway, okay? There was a 4.2 Chiapas, Mexico offshore at 39 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Mexico at 7.5 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 again Mexico a half hour later at 8.1 miles in depth. Okay? Now, let's see here. These were all on both. There was a USGS and the Discovery earthquake, sorry. There was a 4.5 Philippine Islands at 35.2 miles in depth. Now, this came across in New Zealand and on the Discovery as a 4.0 at 16 miles in depth. USGS took it down to a 3.8. There was a 4.8 Volcano Island, Japan at 71.6 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Indonesia at 47 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 Italy, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.4 Northern California at 5.8 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 Colombia. They had that at 6.2. They have not gotten the mileage up, and that's getting aggravating. There was a 3.3 Alaska, 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 Zimbabwe, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Dominican Republic. That one they got the mileage depth up on. It was at 34 miles in depth. So that was a 3.3 Dominican Republic at 34 miles in depth. A 2.5 the Virginia Islands, Virgin Islands. Sorry, Virginia, I'm stuck where I live. I apologize. A 2.5 Reedtown, Virgin Islands at 43 miles in depth. Tangistan had a 4.5 at 119.9 miles in depth. That's all I have for right now, guys. As soon as they put up the update on the tropical cyclonic storm, I will get that to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. 2 thumbs up. Be safe out there.